Hello, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Wakame Miso soup using wakame seaweed. You can find this miso soup in the movie From Up on Poppy Hill as well as other Japanese animes, movies, and comics. It usually has tofu in it as well, but because I don't have tofu, we're just going to make a plain miso soup with seaweed. It may look like you need a lot, but once you soak it, a half a teaspoon is just enough for one serving of soup. In 3/4 of a cup of water, soak half a teaspoon of dried wakame seaweed. After 3 minutes, it will look like this. And after 6 minutes, it should look like this. You can let it soak for longer if you want, depending on what you're going to use it for. For the miso, add the pre-made dashi stock and heat it to a simmer. Then dissolve 1 tablespoon of miso paste. You can use a ladle or bowl to dissolve the miso, or a mesh sieve if you have it, and that way is much easier. Once the soup is heated through and not boiling, add the seaweed. And that's it! This soup is a staple in Japan and really easy to make. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.